Hi guys, welcome back to Manu ACC classes, and today again I am here with you all by bringing a different topic on Excel and also a different technique that you can use to, split different words or like this product ID you can see on the screen. Basically, there are three different things that you can see. The first one is of 3 liters, then you have dash, and then you have CS, then you have dash, and then again some numerical values, right? So we have three different letters and words, and we got a product ID, right? So sometimes what is the requirement is that we need this only the digits, right? Whatever the this, like for example, 100011798. This is the only thing that we want from this particular product ID. So how can we do that, right? Or sometimes you only want the middle two digits, right? Like BO or CH or LA, or maybe sometimes you want just the first 3 letters word, right? So how can you actually do it? So it's very easy to do in Excel, and we have three different functions in Excel. So which is basically right, then we have left, and then we have mid. These are the three functions that you can use to get your desired results. So for example, first I'll do this, and then first thing is I need the first three letter. Okay, so this is the first 3 letters that I want. Basically, I want this FUR or FUR or OFF. Like this is something that you can do manually, but it will take a lot of time when you have lots of data, right? So we don't want to do this, right? So I'll just delete this. We have a very simple and very easy to do method in Excel. So what we can do is, if we want to this first 3 letters, then what we can do, we can just click on equals to and then press left. So left basically you can see the, if you can see this or not. Left basically tells us the definition is returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. So basically this is my text string, and it will return whatever numbers, whatever characters that I want from the start of the text. So for example, I'll just click start this, and it is asking me to select the text from where I want the numbers or characters basically. So I want, this is my text. Okay, I have selected this. Now I will put comma, and I this is asking me that what is the number of characters that I want from this text. So I want only 3 characters. Basically, if you can see the first three characters I want, right? So what I'll do is I'll put 3 from my keyboard and close this function and hit enter. See, very easy. I got the FUR, right? And what I'll do is I'll just copy, drag this formula till the down, and see, I got all my numbers here, right? So this is the example you can do to using by left function, right? So now we'll start with right. Now, what right does? So now, for example, I want these numbers only. The numbers that is after this dash 100, this all number, right? So for that you can use right? So for that you can use right, and we also asking the same thing. Basically, text. Which text, from which text you want the number? So I'll click this, and it is asking me how many characters of numbers that you want. So basically, I want, like, this is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters number is this, right? So what I'll do is I'll put 8 and close this function and hit enter. See, I got all the numbers that is from the right side of this text string, and I got the numbers, right? So this right function helps me to do this. I just drag the formula till the last of my fields, and that I got the numbers. Now, for example, I want only this middle number, right? The PS, BI, AP, the 2-digit number. So for that, we have also a formula called mid. Mid basically does it. You hit MIT, just right, and it is saying that the definition of mid is returns the characters from the middle of a string given a starting position and length. So basically, it will start from the middle. So from wherever you want. For example, if I want to start from this dash and the 2-digit numbers I can get, right? But now the requirement is only I want this POCS, right? So what I'll do is I'll start this function and I'll select the text from where I want to get the middle number. So I'll just select that, and then I'll put, now it is saying that a start number. So from where you want to start. So if you see, this B starts from which character now, which number of characters. So I'll count from F. So F is my one, two, three, and dash is four and fifth. So five. I'll click five here because my middle BO is starting from fifth character, right? Because we have counted from F. F is one, U is two, R is three, dash is four, and B is fifth. So my starting number is fifth, right? And then I'll put a number of characters. Then after that, I am this company is asking me at how many characters do you want to get. So I want two characters, right? So basically B O and O. So what I'll do is I'll put two and hit enter. So see, ta-da, you got the BO. So very easy. Just drag the formula down the line and you get your DI numbers, right? So what we have learned today is left, right, and mid. These are the three functions that might come handy when you are working on a different kinds of complex data set, and it will be very easier for you. So this for today, this is the for today's video. This is what we have, and I'll be coming again in the next videos. I'll then till then, please watch Manu SCCA classes and also like, subscribe, and share this channel. So thank you. Bye bye.